Hey fam, so I'm in here cooking up a little quick weeknight dinner for myself, trying to get back on track with eating healthy. So I wanted to show you guys a nice little easy but delicious seafood bowl that you can use with zucchini, some shrimp, onions, peppers, and some fresh garlic. And then I'm also going to add some eggs and some seafood sauce. So stay tuned. This seafood bowl is going to be so fire and so delicious. This was one squash that I spiraled, and then I just cut it down this way because as you eat the noodles, they're going to be like in all one little string. So I wanted to make sure it's going to be a nice, bite once I pick it up with the shrimp. I did use these noodles before, so go ahead and check out the link above. I have the seafood sauce over here just waiting patiently, and then I'm also going to top this with some eggs at the end. You don't want to miss it. Stay tuned, hit that like button, that subscribe button, and let's cook. I added just enough butter to go ahead and cook the garlic and the onions because I'm still going to add the seafood sauce at the end, so you really don't need too much. We just going to let this soak in the bathtub of this butter. Y'all know how y'all like to soak in the bath with the bubbles. The butter is the bubbles, okay? You got your fresh smell goods, your Bath and Body Works going, your candle going, you setting the mood, you setting the vibe. That's exactly what we're doing with this pot, all right? All right, so here is the moment that we have been waiting for. Your onions and your peppers and your garlic looks nice and caramelized. We're going to go ahead and scoot these over so we can go ahead and get our shrimp in there. And I didn't season the shrimp because that seafood sauce has it all. I just want to, cook the shrimp a little bit. So I really made this for me tonight, but I know the kids, they about to wake up from their nap and come out here and try to bully me into, giving them some. But this is for mama. They got their own dinner over here on the side waiting. So they're not about to guilt trip me tonight. This is mama's little treat myself this week dinner. So that's what I'm going to do. Look, even the husband, you know how you just got to have something for yourself when you cook in the house without somebody asking for some or you having to share? I'm not really worried about him tonight, okay? Okay, so I just flipped the shrimp over. Everything is looking good and doing fine. I'm going to show y'all my little secret, what I do with my seafood sauce. Hold on. Now, what I have here is some seafood boil sauce that I saved. There's a lot of, the seafood spots around here. Ours is Hook and Reel, Crafty Crab, Rockin' Toast, to name a few. Where, you buy the seafood bowl and come with the little special sauces. This one is the Hook and Reel sauce. We have a Crafty Crab one up there as well if you're in the DMV area. But pretty much what I do is I'll buy some extra sauce on the side. Because really, y'all, that's the main thing I really be wanting for is just the sauce. I can buy the shrimp and the seafood and make it at home if I really wanted to, and then just have this sauce on the side. But when I'm making dishes like this in the house, I really just want the sauce on the side. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna add some of this in here, and we're gonna go ahead and toss in our noodles too. That's why I said I didn't need to add any seasoning on the shrimp because this butter sauce already has, it's spicy also. I get mine really spicy. Let me take it out the bag so y'all can see. But this is the spicy version as well that I get. And it's so good, y'all. So it has already like the garlic powder, the onion powder, the lemon pepper, all of those seasonings that you like. So let me know in the comments if you guys do the same thing when you go to your little, juicy crab or whatever you got in your area, and then get the extra sauce on the side and then freeze it. If not, y'all better do this little tip. It is a money saver and it's delicious. And then for the most part, I still got a lot left, so I'm about to put this back in the freezer for the next dish. All right, so I got the sauce. It's in here. And the longer it cook, it's going to get nice and hot. But you can see everything in here so far. So the garlic, the onions, the pepper, the shrimp. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and add the noodles because these noodles are not going to take that long. So go ahead and add that. Have y'all had y'all seafood boils with noodles? If you haven't, it's so good. Y'all gotta try it at least one time. Just try it. try it with some noodles. I'm telling you, it's bomb. Okay, so I'm just going to, you know, rotate that sauce on these noodles. Let it come up to temperature, and then I'm going to show y'all the final look in a second, okay? Don't go nowhere. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how it looks plated up. And when it comes to the squash, you don't have to cook it that long because you don't want it mushy. And then I have a couple of these hard-boiled eggs. I'm going to go ahead and put right on the side. So it's just like you eating your seafood boil in a bowl. And then you got your noodles. And then the last thing I'm going to do is just top it with some parsley to make it look cute. So just try, y'all. Just let me know how you like it. If this is something that you will try, that you won't try. Have you tried before? So let me drizzle some of the sauce on the eggs. Oh, daddy's favorite part. Y'all know he don't like no eggs, but it's okay. Alright. There you go. That look a little better. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste it so you guys can see how it looks on one, you know, one bite full. So let me go ahead and taste it for y'all. And it look like ramen, don't it? It give you the little seafood ramen look to it. Okay, so that's the noodles, and then I'm gonna put a piece of this shrimp on top. Oh y'all, yes. Yes. Oh. Oh y'all, yes, that's so good. And then like taking my spoon, just drizzle it right over there. Yes, got some of the little broth on there. Okay, I'm about to go ahead and crush this. I think I'm gonna call this seafood ramen. Y'all, it tastes just like dang on ramen noodles. I'm telling you, I'm not even lying to you. It got pretty much every component in it. The broth, your eggs, your noodles, your seafood, you know, your little sides. But the only difference is I'm using the squash noodles instead of the regular noodles. So you can pretty much just do everything I did and just add some regular noodles. And then there you go. It's pretty much up to you. Everybody eat their ramen differently anyway. For the most part, you add your this to that, but still get the broth feel to it. But I'm gonna go ahead and call this a winner seafood dinner. And if y'all want to try this, go ahead and comment down below and say I'm going to try. And I'll see y'all back. Well, we'll see y'all back for the next video, because you never know what's coming up next. Bye.